other disciplines and other games happening.
The second Living Roots Festival 2022 Village Tourism Festival cum Quasqui Centennial or the 125th Jubilee celebration of Tirna Ilaka will be held on December 7th and 8th. The event is being jointly organized by Indian Tourism Shillong, Special Purpose Vehicle Society and the Directorate of Tourism. Talking to reporters, Living Roots Festival Chairman Donbor Malbanyang informed that the festival is being organized as part to promote tourism in the area. Informing that the first edition of the festival was held in 2018, he said that they could not organize the second edition of the festival in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, Sardar of Tirna Ilaka, Andreas Vanshai, said that they will also be celebrating on the 125 years of the existence of Ilaka during these 2 days.
So, bana barok koi kari kasi jintia ya kajing ruspa kejongka hakawedi badu so pai kamtan so jamtra kumu sudah juga Ilaka danang ni ban pensai kandiat hakawedi badka wei ka banta berkata kalong ba ka sotana ka sedap siswa afsnam kajing kenria snong na ka snong ka rem ka snong ka bathmai ya ka ban din sa rakhi karpangai kata ka siswa afsnam ha ka nyotrek jo bunai di semua mentau snam